to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play God Save the Queen, which is the British National Anthem. Obviously I am English, so this is my national anthem. If you don't already know, it's our Queen's Platinum 70th Jubilee. She's been the longest reigning monarch in our country, and it is quite an achievement and quite a celebration. So in honour of that, I thought I would teach you how to play my national anthem. So this is going to be my own arrangement. I've left where you can access the sheet music below. I'm going to use the sheet music anyway for this one on the top screen. I'll say the notes I'm playing and we'll do hands separately. So it's quite short. So I've arranged this one in the key of C. This would probably be suitable for someone grade 2 to 3 level. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C major. So it doesn't contain any of the black keys. This one is 3 beats in a bar, and it starts on the first beat of the bar. So we're going to do right hand first. Here is the first line. So I'm going to start with the 2 on C, which is middle C. C, C, D, B, C, D, E, E, F, E, D, C. I'll do that again. And then the next pick goes D, C, B, C. And then we're going to do this little scale lead up. So we're just going to play thumb on C, C, D, E, F. And then we're going to play on the next line E and G 3 times. And then again D and F, C and E. So I'll just do that again. So from swap to 1, 3 and 5 on E and G, D, F, E, C. And then I'm going to bring your 3 and 5 to D and F and repeat that pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 1, and then C and E. And the next part, so you put your 3 on E, F, E, D, C, move your 2 to E, F, G, and the last little part, A, F, E, D, and then a full C major chord with Queen, C being the top note, so it's E, G, C with your 1, 2 and 5. So if I just play all of that from the beginning. So the lyrics, God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen, God save the Queen, send her victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign So the left hand then, so we're going to play a low C, and then the chord of C, so C, E, G, and then so C major, and then we have G, and then we're going to play D, F and G, so this makes like an inverted G7 chord, and then back to the low C, followed by the C major chord, and then the G, followed by the D, F, G. Let me do that again. G, and then the C chord, and then off. So it's basically only 2 chords most of the song, C major or a G or G7. So do that again. I am using the pedal to sustain the lowest note. C, G, again, C major. So I'm just going to put together the first 2 lines. So that goes together like this. So together, and then together, together, left, right, right, together, 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 left, right, right, together, together, together. I'll do that again. Okay, so this next part then, so the last half of it, so the Santa Victorious. So we're going to play a low C again, a G, this C, and we're going to cross over to E. And then we're going to play G, B, D, and then D and G together. So that part goes like this. So Santa Victorious, and together, happy and glorious. And then for the next part of the left hand, we have the C major chord again. And then you can see there we're going to do just a scale from A down to G. So you're going to play the chord, and then you're going to put your thumb on A, G, F, E. Then you're going to tuck under your thumb to D, reposition your hand, and then C, B, A, G. So under on your 4 with your thumb to down to G. So then that part, hands together, goes. So that bit, we're harmonising the right hand. And as you go under, the 2 moves to E, the A and F, and then G's together. Let's do that again. Move. The last part, so the left hand's going to go F and C, so this is like an F chord. We're not going to play the A in the middle. So F and C, move that up to G and D. Add the F to the G and D, so we have another G7 chord. And then if you can stretch C, G, C, play that. If you can't, just play a low C and G. And with the right hand, that bit goes. So, God save the Queen. And then you can see there it says RAL, and that stands for rallentando, which means you gradually get slower. So it tells the listener that something's about to come to a stop. So I'm going to play it very slowly from the beginning now. with the sheet music on top. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.